Hi viewers, this is Delisha and welcome back to yet another episode of Homes Online. Today's home tour is different. Usually we include interior as well as exterior, but we have been receiving a lot of requests regarding roofing videos, and here we are introducing an exciting roofing solutions, Geolex from Georoof.
Rising temperatures, rains, and unprecedented climate changes have become the new normal of this century. These unprecedented changes have and will definitely affect the structural integrity of buildings in the long run. That's why roofing has become an essential part of our home construction plans. Installing roofing sheets helps to protect concrete roofs from developing cracks under intense heat. There are many types of roofing sheets in the market like asbestos, aluminium, PVC, etc. But the best choice for residential roofing is metal or metal alloy roofing sheets because of its strength and durability. Introducing India's #1 metal roofing brand, Georoof Geolex. What makes Geolex stand apart from the rest is that it's the only roofing product in India made using advanced third-generation GLX technology. It is the only roofing brand in the country to offer a 25-year written warranty. There is a misconception that metal roofs are prone to rust, but best in quality materials and paint coating can increase the life of metal sheets for decades. Geolex sheets made with 5-layer steel alloy that makes it the strongest roofing sheet in the market. The alloy has superior anti-rust properties, making Geolex sheets remain stronger and more durable and last longer for decades. Another feature of Geolex is its unmatched range of colors, international designs, profiles, and finishes like clay, hay, and rock. Geolex roofing sheets are coated with paints from the world-renowned American brand Valspar. Unlike competitors, each Geolex sheet comes with a 3-layer paint coating. That's why its colors don't fade and last longer than others. Of late, many homeowners are using roofing sheets as primary roofs instead of traditional concrete roofs. It can save construction cost by up to 30% and offers a variety of design options. Geolex's excellent qualities make it the ideal primary roofing choice. With its superior quality 8-layer coating, Geolex offers the best heat reflection, reducing temperature inside the home. This special coating also significantly reduces the accumulation of debris, thus preventing rusting and lowering maintenance costs. Overall, with its high-quality material, GLX technology, superior protective coating, exclusive shades and designs, Geolex Georoof is an ideal roofing solution for homeowners.
We hope today's video has been very useful and informative to you. Feed your valuable comments and suggestions in our comment box. Stay tuned for more informative videos from Homes Online. Thank you for watching.